What's up guys, Shane aka Musty Ed here. Today we're going to continue our AR9 build series. Today is part 2 where we will be discussing and installing the Tyrant Designs mod grip. This grip I've had my eye on for some time now and I'm really looking forward to getting this sucker installed, so let's get started. Alright, so here's a closer look at the Tyrant Designs mod grip, which does stand for modular, but we'll cover that a bit later. Tyrant Designs did send this grip to me for free to add to this build and share my thoughts with you guys. So a huge thanks to them for helping me out with this. Also, I recently checked out their hand stop, which I loved. If you guys want to see that, I'll be sure to put it in the card in the corner. Click on that if you want to check out their hand stop. As you guys can see, this is a damn good looking grip. It's a really unique looking grip and definitely stands out from the crowd. This can be installed on any standard AR-15 out there. But let's cover some stats real quick before we get into this thing. This grip is 4 inches in length and roughly 1 inch wide. This sucker is pretty lightweight for an aluminum grip, thanks to the skeletonized design you see here. It weighs in at around 4 ounces. So with that, you're only 1 ounce heavier, but far stronger than something made of polymer. It is constructed of 70-75 aluminum and then hard coat anodized in black. All the main edges on the main body to the straps are all chamfered very well, so there's no worry about something sharp catching your finger or anything, just a really nice job of machine work here. Something that's definitely worth noting is it is made right here in America and does come with a lifetime warranty. It would appear that Tyrant Designs is doing it right, producing a killer product with a really great warranty. So let's go ahead and install this sucker and then we're going to talk a little bit more. Alright, so we're going to install this on our Angstad Arms lower receiver. If you guys remember in the first video we covered the Angstad Arms upper, lower, and bolt carrier. If you guys missed that and you want to check it out, again I'll go ahead and put it in the corner here. Click on that, check out that video if you want to learn a little bit more about these receiver sets. Okay, so inside the box, this is pretty simple. You're going to get the grip inside, you're going to get the straps, you're going to get a bag that has all the mounting hardware, which include 2 different hex tools, one for the main screw that's going to attach the grip to the lower, and also another hex tool for the smaller screws that are going to attach the straps to the grip. I almost forgot to mention, guys, just like before with the hand stop, Tyrant Designs includes a really nice ball head hex tool, which is going to make installing this grip a lot easier. Nothing cheap here. This is something you're going to want to add to your regular toolbox. This is a really nice hex tool, so good on them for including one with a ball head. Alright, so we're going to take our larger hex tool, we're going to put that off to the side. Going to go ahead and open the bag. Hopefully don't lose anything here. Get all these parts out. We're going to take the large screw that's going to install the grip. Go ahead and put that up there. Our smaller hex tool, and here are our small screws for installing the front and rear straps. Now guys, I'm going to show you how to install this thing, but it's not a true technical install. As you can see, I don't have any of my lower parts kits or trigger or anything. I'm just going to show you how it installs, and then when I get all these reviews of the separate parts done, we're going to throw everything together. So let's go ahead and install the straps. You're going to go ahead and let's start with the back strap. Pretty simple. I'm not going to show you everything here, guys. You're going to put the back strap on. You have a hole on this side, you have a hole on that side, and you're going to do the same with the front. You're going to put it on, you're going to do a hole on this side, hole on that side. So again, really straightforward here, guys. I'm not going to show you how to tighten screws, but I will say you got to be careful not to over tighten these things. Just go hand tight, and if you're that nervous, go and put some blue Loctite or something on there to hold them in place. But I wouldn't get too crazy with Loctite. We'll discuss later why you shouldn't do that for a good reason. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these screws installed. Alright guys, that about wraps it up. So we got the screws tightened on the mod grip for the straps. You got 2 on each side. As you can see, they're all in. Now it's simply a matter of putting the grip onto your lower receiver. Now guys, remember, you're going to want to do this in the correct order. Again, I'm just showing you guys how it installs. So when you do this, you want to go ahead and make sure you have your, let's see if this thing focuses here. You want to go ahead and add your safety detent and spring inside here before you go ahead and place your grip in. So detent in, obviously your safety will have to be in first, your detent, and then your spring. Or you can put the spring in the hole here and then simply slide it onto your lower receiver, making sure that that spring goes into that hole without bending it. Hold it in place. You're simply going to then take the included screw here, and let's see how easy this is. I was kind of curious about this. Put that through there, I think we're lined up. There we go. This is where the ball head comes in handy here. So we take the ball head and tighten this thing down. You're gonna go as tight as you want to go here, and then when you're, I'm guessing when you get to as tight as you want to go, you can flip this sucker around. Let's see. You take this, I'm guessing, and flip it around. Let's find out. Put it in here. Oh, yep, and do one, and tighten it down just a little bit more with this. I'm not going to go crazy again because I still need to install my other parts, but boom, that's it, guys. That thing is installed. Let me get a couple more parts on here and we'll continue talking about the Tyrant Designs mod grip. So as you guys can see, the most unique part about this grip is the main body here. Tyrant Designs machined some really cool looking chevrons into the middle of the grip here. On top of that, we also have the replaceable and interchangeable front and rear straps that you saw earlier. These straps are made of a polymer composite and are completely removable, as you saw again before. These straps give you guys the ability to pick different sizes and designs, which really allows you to make this grip fit your hand best. It doesn't matter if you have large hands or small hands, simply grab the strap that fits you best, install it, and you're good to go. I'll be sure to roll in some footage here, but if you guys want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave a link down below to their website. Click on that and you can see all the different options and looks for yourself. What's really cool is Tyrant Designs will continue to produce new straps in regards to like their options and designs. Personally, I'm really excited to see what they will come up with down the road. As you guys can see here, we went with the chevrons in the back. I believe this is the medium chevron back strap and the front with the finger grooves. There really aren't many grips out there that are as modular as the mod grip, and the ones that are don't look nearly as good as the mod grip in my opinion. Speaking of looking good, this grip comes in more than just black. They offer this thing in several different colors, so again you can pick the design and color that best suits you and your build. They offer this in red, black, blue, gray, and a nickel. I would have loved to try out one of their color grips on this build, but this one's going to stay all black. Maybe in the future I'll get my hands on one of their red ones and get it installed on my AR pistol with the red accents. That would look really good. Now for the price. Unfortunately, I have to say this thing isn't cheap. It does come in for around 115 bucks, but you definitely get what you pay for here. The design, the machine work, and the modularity. The price does seem justified in the quality of product and what you get for your money. All in all, guys, I'm really happy I got my hands on this grip. I'm really looking forward to getting the rest of this AR9 pistol built and then run this thing and tell you guys my final thoughts on this sucker. But yeah, guys, that about wraps it up for the quick cover of the Tyrant Designs mod grip. We'll cover more down the road when the pistol is completely done. But yeah, guys, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comment box below. Again, if you want to check this out for yourself, the link will be down below as well. Yeah, that's it, guys. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.